Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss GK previous year questions part 2 by RRB. First question. Most of the standard Harappan seals were made of dash, a kind of soft stone that was square in shape with 2 by 2 dimensions and was used for commercial purpose. So the question is, the Harappan seals were made of. The Harappan seals were made of what material? Rhodonite, golden rutile, steelite, selenite. The answer is steelite. Most of the standard Harappan seals were made of steelite. It is a kind of soft stone that was square in shape with 2 by 2 dimension and was used for commercial purpose. So we know that Indus Valley civilization started from BC 2500 to BC 1750. Father of Indus Valley civilization was John Marshall. Father of Indus Valley civilization was John Marshall. It was discovered in 1921. John Marshall was discovered. In 1921, Archaeological Survey of India was started. Director General of Archaeological Survey of India is Alexander Cunningham. Alexander Cunningham was founder of Archaeological Survey of India. Area of Indus Valley civilization northwest of India to Pakistan. Area of Indus Valley civilization was from northwest of India to Pakistan. Metal used in Indus Valley civilization were bronze, copper, tin. These were used in Indus Valley civilization. Iron was not known to Indus Valley people. Iron was not found in Indus Valley period. God of Indus Valley was Pashupati. God of Indus Valley was Pashupati. And mother god, Pigeon, etc. were their god. They not worship Vishnu. They not worship Vishnu. Famous Indus Valley sites were Harappa, it is in Punjab, near river Ravi, discovered year 1921, discovered by Dayaram Sahini. The main importance of this site was 6 small granary were found. 6 small granary. Second is Mohenjo-daro. Pakistan. It is in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro meaning mound of dead. Near to the river Indus, discovered in 1922. Discovered in 1922. Discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro discovered by R.D. Banerjee. Great Bath. Great importance, Great Bath, Great Granary. Statue of Dancing Girl. Next, Lothal. Lothal, Gujarat. River near Sabarmati River. In the year 1953. S.R. Rao. Discovered by S.R. Rao. Dockyard. Importance of the site were dockyard found in this site, dockyard. So Lothal is in Gujarat near Sabarmati River, discovered in the year 1953, discovered by S.R. Rao. Dockyard was the importance of this site. Next site is Kalibangan. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan. The main feature, black bangle found in this site, black bangle near the river Gaggar River. It was discovered in the year 1951. Discovered by A.A. Ghosh. Fossil of camel also found in this site. So move on to next question. Which of the following construction material was used in Harappan civilization? Clay, burned brick, red sandstone, sun-dried. Burned brick construction material was used in Harappan civilization. Answer is burned brick. When did archaeologist B.B. Lal carry out excavations at Hastinapura, situated in Meerut district? Archaeological site B.B. Lal, archaeologist B.B. Lal carried out excavations in the year 1957-58, Meerut district. Around 800 BC, a heavy flood in the Ganga destroyed a considerable portion of Polish grave settlement. Next, the Great Bath found at Mohenjo-daro was a huge dash. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro is one of the best known remarkable structures among the ruins of the ancient Indus Valley civilization excavated at Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. It is rectangular in shape. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro is rectangular in shape. So option answer is D. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro in 1922. Here he found a seal of Pashupati. The seal depicts a seated figure that is possibly tricephalic, having 3 heads. Next, the Harappan city was found during the excavations on the banks of which river around the year 1920-21. The Harappan city was found in near Ravi River. The Aram Sahini in 1921 Harappan city excavated. It is located on the bank of the river Ravi in the Montgomery district of Punjab, Pakistan. It is the first site discovered at Indus Valley civilization. The major finding of the Harappan city were sandstone statues of human anatomy, granaries, and bullock art. Great Bath granary, bronze dancing girl, seal of Pashupati, steelite statue of Birdman, a piece of woven cotton. These were found in Indus Valley site. The famous Indus Valley site Mohenjo-daro was the first time excavated by the eminent Indian archaeologist S.D. Banerjee. The famous Indus Valley site Mohenjo-daro Mound of Dead was first excavated by the eminent Indian archaeologist R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Site is situated on the banks of the river Indus in Larkana district of Punjab, Pakistan. The first site discovered by the Indus Valley civilization is, we already discussed it, Harappa. Which town of the Indus Valley civilization literally means Mound of the Dead? Mount of the Dead is meaning Mohenjo-daro. 1922, on the year after the discovery of Harappa, subsequent excavations revealed that the mound of certain remain of what was once the largest city of the Indus civilization. It is in Sindh province of Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro is situated in Sindh province of Pakistan. The remaining of the name Mohenjo-daro dash is Mound of Dead. In Sindh language, Sindhi, it is Mound of Dead. What is the meaning of Mohenjo-daro? Mound of Dead. Mount Mohenjo-daro situated in which region? Sindh region in Pakistan. So this was the last question of this section. We will meet in next